Let's start, people. Where did we stop last class? नहीं, कंडक्टोमेट्री टाइट्रेशन आज करने वाले हैं. कल क्या किया था? वी डिड वेरिएशन ऑफ कंडक्टिविटी एंड मोलर कंडक्टिविटी विद कंसंट्रेशन, ठीक है, विद डाइल्यूशन. एंड उसके बाद क्या किया था? वी डिड कुलरॉश लॉ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट माइग्रेशन ऑफ आयंस. देन वी डिड डिसोसिएशन कांस्टेंट का रिलेशन और कुछ सम्स किए थे उस पे. Let's continue with the next part of the chapter where we now have to do conductometric titrations. ये थोड़ा similar है to what titration we did in the chapter ionic equilibrium. पहले थोड़ा सा एक basic overview. Let's do it again. What do you mean by conductometric titration? It is used to measure the amount of analyte. Analyte मतलब किसके अंदर हो? It is present inside the titration flask. Okay, present in a given solution by measuring the change of conductance as a function of volume of the titrant. आपका ये titrant कहाँ present रहता है people? Burette में. School lab में क्या रहेगा people? Strong acid, strong base, strong acid, weak base, oxalic acid, KMnO4, वो सारे. तो titration क्या है तो थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आएगा. Next, we know this conductance is due to the movement of ions in solution. One ion will replace another ion that changes the conductance of the solution. यही हमें सीखना है. कौन सा आयन किसको रिप्लेस कर रहा है? The one which is replacing the other, उसकी आयनिक मोबिलिटी ज़्यादा है, कम है, so on and so forth. और ग्राफ से ही हमको उसका फिर ग्राफ प्लॉट करना है. ओके, इक्विवेलेंस पॉइंट इज डिटरमाइंड ग्राफिकली. So there are different types of conductometric titration और लास्ट में हम एक दो एग्जाम्पल करेंगे फॉर precipitation titration. एकदम easy है, conceptually समझो, you can then easily plot these. चलो, so let's start with the first one. First क्या है people? Strong acid and strong base. Now यहाँ पे your strong acid HCl, so HCl is your analyte. एंड आपका NaOH क्या है people? that is your titrant जो आपका ब्यूरेट में प्रेजेंट होगा. what you're going to do is you're going to add NaOH बाहर से, रिएक्शन होगा एंड हम उसको प्लॉट करेंगे. we are going to plot the conductance. तो हमारे y axis पे what do we have people? Conductance. So we're going to plot conductance versus volume of the titrant. यहाँ पे titrant कौन है? NaOH. So volume of NaOH. ठीक है, पहले रिएक्शन लिखते हैं. What will the reaction look like? काफी easy reaction होगा. HCl plus NaOH gives me what? NaCl plus H2O. Ionic form में what is the reaction people? H plus Cl minus gives me, sorry, plus NaOH plus OH minus is what? Na plus Cl minus plus H2. Yes or no? Now what we have to first understand is the mobility of the ions. यहाँ पे H plus and OH minus, they have very high ionic mobility, high ionic conductance compared to Na plus and Cl minus. They have moderate to low, और यहाँ पे हम low लिखते हैं, low ionic conductance. ठीक है, with me till here? Now understand the reaction. हमारे बीकर में there are H plus H plus H plus all around. because it's a strong acid. So बहुत सारे H plus है, which means the solution initially has very high ionic conductivity. तो उसको conductance initially high होगा. Yes or no? Now you add first drop of NaOH. पहला drop डाला. NaOH splits into H plus बहुत सारे, that one OH will react, आपको मिला H2O and Na plus. Na plus we know that has low ionic conductance, but solution में बहुत सारे H plus थे, एक ही H plus use हुआ, then you add one more NaOH, फिर एक H plus use होगा, क्या replace हो रहा है? H plus which is present in the analyte is getting replaced by, so a high ionic conductance is getting replaced by. As the reaction progresses, what will happen to conductance? It will decrease. नहीं समझा? कब तक decrease होता है people? Till it reaches equivalence point. Do you people remember equivalence point क्या था? When all of the H plus अंदर एनालाइट में जितना H plus present था वो सब react हो गया with OH minus. तब तक ये होगा. And what point? इस point को हम क्या बोलेंगे people? We have reached equivalence point. आपको वॉल्यूम भी मिल जाएगा at equivalence point. Getting that? However, we still continue. We still keep on adding NaOH. And when you add more and more and more of NaOH, now what you're doing is OH minus बढ़ रहा है. It has high ionic conductance. So what will happen to now? It starts increasing. Simple. That's the plot for conductance versus volume for a strong acid and strong base. Did you will get that? Easy है? चलो. Let's move on to the next. Next क्या है people हमारे पास? Weak acid and strong base. Weak acid is our analyte and strong base is my titrant. Reaction लिखे? चलो, give me the reaction. So I have CH3 COOH plus NaOH क्या देता है people? CH3 COONA plus H2. Correct? Now let's write the ionic equation. How will the ionic equation look like? CH3 COH, because this is a weak acid, it won't dissociate. बराबर, प्लस ये क्या हो जाएगा? Na plus and OH minus सोडियम एसिटेट. सॉल्ट है तो क्या होगा वो जल्दी से? Yes, it will dissociate and undissociated H2O. इसमें let's start. What is the ionic mobility of OH minus? High ionic conductance. Then उसके बाद what about Na plus and what about CH3 COO minus? इनका क्या आने वाला है people? Low ionic conductance. Yes or no? ठीक है, तो हमें ये ध्यान में रखना है when we plot. इसमें ना थोड़ा दो प्लॉट बनाएंगे and I'll tell you the reason why कि दो बना रहे हैं. So what's there on y-axis? Y-axis पे क्या है people? Conductance. Excellent. What is there on the x-axis? Correct. So here I have conductance, and here I have volume of, what is the titrant? NaH. चलो start करते हैं. CH3COH is a weak acid, so it will have low conductance because there will be very few H plus. बराबर. तो इसको start कहाँ से करेंगे हम? Low से start करेंगे. Yes or no? And as the reaction starts, आपने एक OH minus, so you add one NaOH. What is happening over there? The H plus with the OH minus क्या बन रहा है? And it is getting replaced by a low ionic. पहले ही CH3COH की conductance is low and it is further replaced by, तो almost flat line रहता है. This will happen till what point? Till we reach equivalent. तो यहाँ पे हम कहाँ पहुँच गए? We've reached equivalence point. Point तो ये है, but this is like the volume. I'll give you equivalence volume. Now what happens if you keep on adding NaOH? The moment you keep on adding NaOH, high ionic conductance wala OH minus, and then what will happen to the conductance? It increases. Did you get the plot? Anyone who don't understand this? एक प्लॉट हम ऐसे बना सकते हैं. एक और थोड़ा सा और एक्यूरेट प्लॉट अगर बनाना है तो ना वो कुछ ऐसे बनाते हैं. We know that initial conductance is low, but then there is a dip and it goes like this. Let's understand why is there a dip. When the reaction takes place, यहाँ पे क्या बन रहा है people? CH3COO Na, that gets converted into CH3COO minus and Na plus. We know that CH3COOH का dissociation will look like this. Though weak acid, there will be few CH3COH who will dissociate, and CH3CONA is splitting into CH3COO minus and Na plus. कौन सा इफेक्ट आ रहा है यहाँ पे? Excellent. There is common ion effect. Now what's happening because of common ion effect? The equilibrium will shift to the left. So even if there are very few high ionic conductance wale H plus, they are also going back to CH3COH and hence एक initial dip आता है. Did you people get that? And फिर it increases. But usually ऐसे ही बना सकते, but to be more accurate, वो थोड़ा कुछ ऐसे दिखेगा. That from ये point थोड़ा सा और if I make it, ठीक है, और ये आपका इक्विवेलेंस पॉइंट है. So from this to this, why is there a small drop over here? Drop is due to common ion effect. Did you people get that? ठीक है, बस दोनों प्लॉट याद रखना. Easy, weak acid and strong base. चलो नेक्स्ट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्या है पीपल? स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड एंड वीक बेस. पूरा रिएक्शन लिखने की जरूरत है क्या अभी? NaOH क्या है पीपल अपना? Titrant and HCl, pardon me, NH for OH is titrant and HCl is my analyte. चलो डायरेक्टली प्लॉट बनाने ट्राई करते हैं. What do I have on the y-axis? Conductance. What do I have on the x-axis? Volume of the weak base NH4OH. Initially, analyte में there is a high ionic conductivity वाला H plus, so conductance initially will be high. Then क्या होगा? It decreases. क्यों कम होता है people? Because H plus will react with the OH minus, and solution में you have low ionic conductance वाला NH4 plus. कब तक होगा? Till you reach equivalence point. Getting that? ये equivalence volume लिखना चाहिए. Equivalence point तो ये है. And now what happens after that? If you keep on adding, will it increase? ऐसा shoot up होएगा क्या ऊपर? क्यों? बस OH तो आ रहा है ना? ऐसा होगा क्या? Why? Because NH4OH is a weak, so एकदम easy. Do you want me to write the reactions? कर सकते हैं हम पक्का. So this is the plot for a analyte which is strong acid and weak base. चलो next करते हैं अभी. What do we have next? Weak acid and weak base. CH3COH is again my analyte. और यहाँ पे क्या है ये? Titrant. रिएक्शन बोलो रे, रिएक्शन क्या रहेगा? CH3COOH plus NH4OH, ammonium acetate CH3COO NH4 बराबर, and H2O. But will these dissociate? So they remain as it is. और यहाँ पे क्या बनता है people? And NH4 plus H2. Getting that? Both of these have low ionic conductance. तो अगर प्लॉट बनाए अभी, what is there on the x-axis? Sorry, y-axis conductance, and then यहाँ पे क्या है people? चलो एनीवन इसको प्लॉट कर सकते हैं. Will initially be conductance high or low? Low, because हमारा analyte is a weak acid, so ionic conductance, there will be very few H plus, so it will have low ionic conductance. then eventually what will happen? They start reacting, but the ions which are being produced, they also have low. क्या होगा फिर? कुछ ऐसा स्ट्रेट लाइन दिख रहा है? Yes or no? बट थोड़ा सा एक्चुअल ग्राफ प्लॉट समझते हैं. CH3CO minus is produced, which will be common an effect with CH3CO H initial, yes or no? क्या होता है? There's a small dip. And then वो increase ऐसा. कब तक? Till you reach equivalence point. And then फिर से as a small dip and it increases and reaches a constant. So initially common an effect of due to CH3CO minus, then common an effect due to NH4 plus. किसको नहीं समझा वो? I repeat, आपने NH4OH का एक ड्रॉप डाला, that will react with CH3COH and क्या बनेगा? CH3CO, which will dissociate to CH3CO, and this, so here क्या produce हुआ? CH3COO minus, and this will suppress the depression of, so the dissociation of already present, so जो already present CH3COH थे, which dissociated like this, the presence of this common ion, and hence वो dip आया. Getting that? और यहाँ पे it is due to NH4 plus, because over here now there is NH4OH, but this NH4 plus or ENH4 plus common ion effect होता है, hence dip and then it increases. Did you people get this? सबको समझा कि नहीं समझा? Any questions over there? चलो पहले इतना कॉपी करना है कि you want me to complete first? चलो ठीक है, कंप्लीट कर देते हैं. नेक्स्ट वाला, what do we have here? We have a strong acid and a weak acid. So analyte में we have सबसे पहले strong acid and a weak acid, and analyte क्या है मेरा? पार्डन भी, टाइट्रेंट क्या है? एक strong base. So I have a question. NaOH will first react with HCl or will it react with CH3COH? It first reacts with HCl. क्यों? Because HCl strong acid पूरा dissociate हुआ है. More availability of. So what will be the initial conductance? पहले conductance कितना होगा? ज़्यादा होगा या कम होगा? High conductance होगा. Why? Because of HCl. नहीं समझा? इनिशियली बीकर में सिर्फ HCl होगा, मतलब CH3COH से H प्लस कम है एंड ज्यादा H प्लस इज ड्यू टू HCl. कंडक्टेंस और यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस NaOH. तो इनिशियल प्लॉट दिखेगा कुछ बिटवीन स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस इनिशियली कैसा दिखता था? स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस इनिशियली ऐसा था. यस और नो? सो initial ionic conductivity will be high, but it will start to decrease. याद है? फर्स्ट इक्विवेलेंस पॉइंट बोलेंगे इसको. फर्स्ट क्यों बोला? All of the HCl is now done, used. Second, now अभी प्लॉट कैसे दिखेगा? As if the plot is between a weak acid and strong base. पहले स्लाइड डिप होके एक्सेलेंट ऊपर जाता है, याद है वो? इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे ही बनाएंगे. This is which point?
Second equivalence.
Or you can say that all of the CH3COH has reacted with NaOH. Now again, if you keep on adding, did you get that? Yes or no? Second equivalence point. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? CH3COH reacting with NaOH. This reaction is done. यहाँ तक कौन सा reaction था? HCl plus. And why does this happen? Because of increase in the OH minus due to addition of NaOH. समझा ये plot? ऐसे कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. Same plot दिखेगा if you do it for strong base, weak base, बाहर से add कर दिया strong acid. Did you people get that? Yes or no? Next we have precipitation titration. Concept more or less is same. Concept कुछ change नहीं होता है. ठीक है? Only thing is yes, there's a precipitate being formed. Precipitate form मतलब क्या हो रहा है? Let's look at the reaction. AgNO3 plus NaCl gives us what? AgCl, which is your PPT plus NaNO3. I have a question. इसको पहले देखा है AgCl को? थोड़ा और कहाँ पे बड़ा ही है? Excellent, very good. Sparingly soluble salt. Very nice. Excellent. Sparingly soluble salt है वो. Yes or no, people? Very nice, very nice. ठीक है? Now let's write the ionic equation for this. तो क्या मिलता है people? Ag plus NO3 minus plus Na plus Cl minus gives us AgCl. इसको होगा क्या? Because it is sparingly soluble and this is Na plus NO3 minus. अब Ag plus का people ionic mobility is low ionic mobility है, high ionic mobility. Very nice. चलो पहले कोई भी आयन जैसे दिख रहे हैं क्या? इनिशियल कंडक्टेंस क्या होगा पीपल? लो होगा क्या हाई होगा? एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ व्हाट आर वी एडिंग बाहर से? What about Na plus and Cl minus ionic mobility? Low. Ag plus NO3 minus. All of them have low ionic mobility. So starting से कैसे होगा? The plot will look like almost flat. Then further if you keep on precipitate, पूरा AgNO3 has reacted with NaCl. तो पूरा क्या बन गया? And then you have Na plus and. But if you keep on now adding excess of Ag plus and Cl minus, what will happen to conductivity? Compared to NO3 minus, Ag plus का conductivity ज़्यादा है. So, sharp increase. Did you people get that? Yes or no? चलो इतना कॉपी करो. एक और एग्जाम्पल लिखेंगे for BaCl2. I'll give you वो एग्जाम्पल सेम ही प्लॉट आएगा उसका भी. बट वहाँ पे भी BaSO4 वाला स्पेयरिंगली सॉल्युबल सॉल्ट बनता है. We will have added some more points. Please add these. ठीक है, as to why the conductance यहाँ पे increases is due to Ag plus ions. एक और point लिखा है higher mobility of Ag plus as compared to Na plus. That completes conductometric titration. Precipitation titration का एक और example है BaCl2 analyte ले लो, Na2SO4 titrant ले लो, BaSO4 मिलेगा sparingly soluble salt. पूरा रिएक्शन सेम रहता है. प्लॉट खुद से ट्राई करो. वी आर ओनली लेफ्ट विथ बैटरीज एंड कोरोजन, जिसका मैं नोट्स हैंड ओवर कर दूंगा. विल बी डिस्कसिंग दैट. वो लेक्चर रिकॉर्ड नहीं होगा. विल बी डिस्कसिंग दैट नेक्स्ट क्लास. ठीक है, चलो, थैंक यू सो मच. दैट कंप्लीट्स इलेक्ट्रो केमिस्ट्री.
Yeah, it's